What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike Air Jordan unboxing and on foot review. This is the Air Jordan 14 in the Hyper Blue Royal colorway. Zoom in right there and you can see the style code. Same box as you get with like a pair of Jordan 13s. Here they are, the Hyper Blue colorway. Let's get some less light in here. As you can see, shoe's pretty interesting. It's a Jordan 14, not the most popular of Jordans. You have the Last Shot 14s, you have the Ferrari 14s. This right here is the Hyper Royal Blue 14. Good things to note, materials on the shoe are pretty good. You got metal lace tips, that's always a plus. Carbon fiber midsole piece, looks pretty cool. It says 14 in the Roman numerals right here at the bottom. And if you're looking for these and you can't find them, definitely check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. You might be able to get a good deal on the shoes. I'm gonna throw them on foot here in just a second. You can let me know what you think in the comment section below before I put them on foot. Like, what do you think of Jordan 14s in general? Great tumbled leather quality right here. Okay, we're gonna finally throw these on here. First things first, these shoes, like all new Jordans, come with a nice little bit of stuffing. Metal lace tips. Loosen them up a little bit. And as you know, with all sneakers, they look quite nice with a nice pair of joggers. Tighten them up here, tuck in the laces real quick. Zoom out just a little bit. As you can see, these Hyper Royal 14s, quite nice on foot. I don't even have both on. And you gotta admit that they're aesthetically pleasing. I gotta show you something before I forget. There's a little vent right here. It's kind of like a see-through portion where air can come in and out of the shoe. Thought that was kind of interesting. Finally have the 14s on foot. I gotta say they're quite comfortable. Just reset the framing right here. If you're interested in a nice pair of joggers or jeans to go with your sneakers, check out the Amazon affiliate links in the description. For some nice nudie jeans or scotch and soda jeans or some Xanarope joggers. I'm gonna throw on a pair of black jeans here. That way you can see how they look with jeans. Alright, we got some jeans on here. As you can see, they look pretty solid with some nice black denim as well. Hyper Royal Jordan 14s are pretty nice on foot. Gonna throw on a couple different pairs of jeans here so you can see how they look. I gotta admit, these shoes look a little bit funny with some of this denim. If you're wondering if any other Jordan 14s have good resale value, check out the Last Shot 14s. Those go for a pretty penny. I'm gonna throw on one last pair of denim here and you can see how they look and let me know in the comment section below. Finally, we've got some interesting Scotch and Soda denim on here. I think these look best with these jeans. If you want a pair of nice Scotch and Soda denim, check out the StockX affiliate, or sorry, Amazon affiliate link in the description. I gotta admit, these are quite fire on foot. These hyper blue Royal 14s. Going down the lighting here a little bit so we can really get into the itty-gritty of the shoe. Great thing about it is it says Jordan right here. Kind of reminds me of my North Carolina jersey. That baby blue Jordan right there. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the StockX affiliate marketing links in the description and the Amazon affiliate marketing links to get yourself a pair of some nice jeans and these shoes. Because you're watching the video for a reason. You kind of like the shoes. They're pretty fire. Goodbye.